Action. Well, thank you everyone for coming to the Kolam workshop. It's so good to see you all. So today we're going to make some beautiful kolam. Kolam is artwork made by women in India, mainly by Hindu women, every morning and also sometimes in the evening, in front of their houses on the thresholds to invoke deities and ask for blessing and also like safeguarding of their home. Material, the main powder that they use, it's a mixture of rice flour and stone powder. The second one is the red one is a mixture of turmeric and lime juice. I know turmeric is usually yellow, but somehow when you add lime juice to it, it turns like this deep red, which is really beautiful. And then the third powder is turmeric. The fourth powder is brick powder. Karen and I discussed how we want to set an intention for 2024, like letting go of the past year and welcoming the new year. So it has that significance since,
We are celebrating 5 years in being in this space, and it was a challenging year for all of our artists. So I invited Kelly to do this here because this is a space of creativity and, as she mentioned, intention for us. It's being done here because our lease is coming up at the end of the year, and we're closing what was, I guess, a challenging year for all of us, and we're going to let go by this rituals. Rituals are important because they are like markers. They're the ending and the beginning, or the processing of certain intentions and energies and directions. So this
islands all surround each other in a kind of like a rectangular or square-like position.
there aren't really lines in the universe. We just connect the dots.
Right.
I wanted to incorporate the Kolam in it. I kind of cheated and went my own direction.
I could tell which lines I did with my left hand because those lines have actually meet up.
Drawing dots, when it's moving,